If you use a device connected to the internet, you are at risk from hackers. These criminals use phishing scams, spam emails, and fake websites to weaken your security. Imagine the kind of risks to your online business and your customers' integrity. But we will show you how you and your business can protect from cybercriminals. In this video, we will show you NordVPN, a service with fast speeds, impenetrable encryption, and a no-logs policy independently audited. Also with easy-to-use apps with top features for beginners and power users. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. There is no need to connect to a VPN server with NordVPN's threat protection feature. Enabling threat protection in the settings, you can always access the internet safely and securely. You will be able to browse the internet, shop online, or check your email on public Wi-Fi. You can encrypt your internet connection, hide your IP address, and hide your browser history. Why not use Windows at work, Mac OS at home, and Linux for your extracurricular activities? Well, NordVPN software is available for all major operating systems. Also, NordVPN offers an unrivaled combination of security, speed, and bandwidth. It has over 5,000 servers in 60 locations, making it the fastest VPN available. So far, this VPN software sounds very good. But what are the feature list and the main benefits of a platform like this? Among all the advantages NordVPN has for you, there are some that stand over its competition. Let's start with your personal information. You leave a trail of information about your device, location, IP address, and surfing history when you visit the web. With a VPN, you can restore your privacy. Since your internet connection is encrypted, no one can see what websites you visit or what data you share. Your IP address and location are also protected from prying eyes. When it comes to security, NordVPN's threat protection feature protects your device from infection, even if you click on a malicious website, malware, trackers, or adverts by accident. Did you see all the possibilities for great connection and security you have using this platform? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy NordVPN services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now let's see other great features this tool has for you. Even if you're thousands of miles away from home, you can use NordVPN to access the internet as if you were. More than 5,000 safe servers in 60 countries are available through the platform. With just a few clicks, you can access your favorite digital newspapers or social media accounts from the comfort of your own home. There's no better option for speed than NordVPN's virtual private network. You can rest assured that your internet service provider will not limit bandwidth to slow down the connection and a secure connection. Your private information isn't just on one device. It's on all, including your smartphone, laptop, and tablet. That's where NordVPN comes in. You can secure up to 6 devices with a single account. If you want a quick and stable VPN connection, you can select servers close to where you live. If you wish, it is possible to use NordVPN's clever algorithm to choose the optimal server. NordVPN servers can be connected with a simple click or tap, allowing you to surf the web in complete anonymity. At any given time, the Quick Connect feature will connect you to the VPN server that best suits your preferences. You can also change your IP address by tapping a country on the map or scrolling down the Norden server list to find a new location to hide your identity. Safely connect to your websites using any device using NordVPN by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.